Hello everyone and welcome to Jumperman Tech, where we specialize in HVAC but do everything DIY. And today we're installing LED RGBIC strip lights behind my living room TV. Thank you to everyone tuning into Jumperman Tech. And the lights that we're using today are the Govee Dreamcolor LED strip lights, and these are RGBIC strip lights. These lights come in a roll and are 16.4 feet long. These lights come with a manual controller, but they are mainly controlled via your cell phone using an app. These lights come with a power adapter, which is 120 volts AC, and it steps down the voltage to 12 volts DC for the LED strip lights. My TV is 55 inches, and with no further ado, let's get started. Here is the back of my TV. And the white strip you see going across are the RGB lights I had previously installed. And today we're going to upgrade to RGBIC lights, and we're basically going to follow the same pattern. This kit comes with an alcohol prep pad, and it's recommended to clean the surface before adhering any LED strip lights. There is a 3M adhesive behind the lights, so just peel back the lining and you're ready to stick them on. Behind the Govee controller is also a 3M adhesive. Once you went all around the TV, you can simply cut off the excess lights. Every few inches or so, we're going to come across our conductors. This is what it looks like, and we could simply cut across the middle. We now have LED lights going across the entire TV. Everything is neat, and from here we can download the app. The name of the app is Govee Home. I just plugged in the lights and they are absolutely going crazy, but it looks absolutely awesome. Let's link them up with the app. Here's the Govee Home app. I already have 2 lights of these connected in my house on my dresser and my bed. And I'm going to click in the top right corner to add a device. And we're going to look for RGBIC strip lights. And the back of your box, you're going to find your model, and I have the H6125 right here. It's asking me to enable my Bluetooth. Alright, 2 devices showed up. I just need to figure out which one is which. Start with this one. Give it a name. TV. Done. Let's update the app. Everything is now complete. We are in the lighting effects center, and I'm just going to choose one. Whoa! That looks absolutely amazing. I'm just going to go through some of these effects. These are for Valentine's Day. Wow, I think it's absolutely amazing how there's patterns and you can adjust the different colors. We also have different effects that we can choose from. Just click that. Whoa. I love how you can mix and match colors. It's absolutely fantastic. I'm just going to go through some of these preset settings. Wow. That looks absolutely amazing. You could also create your own pattern as well. In this mode, you'll be able to customize your strip and choose which colors you want where. You can, of course, change this to single colors as well. These are absolutely fantastic. You can run this on a timer, and you could also adjust the brightness, which is absolutely amazing. Right there you can see more of the original color before we had it super bright. There are endless opportunities and possibilities with these lights, and they are absolutely amazing. For the fact that we can control each light individually is what really made me want to upgrade. For the fact that I could use my cell phone is also a cool feature. Wow. I think this really enhances the viewing experience. I think it really does. This looks absolutely amazing. I would recommend this to anyone. If anybody found this video interesting or helpful, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you all next time.